Hello friends, welcome to Success Edge. Today topic is bones and muscles. Skeleton system. What is skeleton system? The skeleton system forms the framework of the body. It is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in the body of an adult. The skeleton system also gives shape to our body and protect internal organs such as our lungs. Along with muscles and skeleton system help our body to move. They are called musculoskeletal system. Bones. Bones make up 14% of our total body weight. Bones are connected together by flexible tissues called ligaments. The long bones of the body are filled with soft, fatty materials called bone marrow. Bones in different parts of the body differ in number, size, and shape. Some of them are long, like the arms and legs bones. Some are short, like those in wrists and ankles. There are flat bones like those in our skull. Bones in the ear are of an irregular shape. Skull. Our skull is made up of two sets of bone, the bones of our face and the bones that make up our forehead and the back of our head. Our face is made up of 14 bones. Our jawbone is the largest and the strongest bone in our face. Spine. The spine is also known as the backbone. We twist and turn with the help of our backbone. Its special S shape. The main function of the spine is to protect our spinal cord. The spine is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. Rib cage. Your delicate heart and lungs are safe and sound because of the protective covering of the rib cage. The rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of delicate covered bones. The last two pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Hands and feet. More than half the bones in our body are present in our hands and feet. There are 27 bones in each hand and 26 bones in each foot. Arms and legs. Arms are joined to the spine with the help of shoulder blades. The circular bones. The upper arm has a long bone called humerus. The lower arm has two bones called the radius and ulna. The upper arm joins the lower arm at the elbow. Legs. The upper leg of thigh is made up of a strong long bone called femur or thin bone. Femur is the longest bone in our body. The lower leg has two bones called tibia and fibula. The upper leg meets the lower leg at the knee. Joints. A joint is the place where two bones meet. Without the help of joints, we would be like a stiff wooden doll that will neither walk nor move. Joints hold our bones together and allow us to move. There are two types of joints in our body. First, fixed joint. Second, movable joint. Fixed joint Some of our joints, like those in our skull, and are fixed and do not allow any movement. Movable joint. These joints are found mostly in our limbs, arms, and legs, where movement is needed the most. There are different types of movable joint. First, ball and socket joint. Second, gliding joint. Third, hinge joint. Fourth, pivot joint. Ball and socket joint are found in our hip and shoulder joints. Gliding joints are found between the surface of two flat bones that are held together by ligaments. Hinge joint, like a knee and elbow, allow movement like opening and closing of a hinged door, but in one direction. Pivot joint, as in our neck, allow us to turn our head from side to side, upwards and downwards. Muscular system. Muscles are fleshy blends of thin elastic material in the body. Bones and joints alone cannot allow movement. They need the help of muscles. Muscles make up over half of our body's total weight. Muscles are attached to bone by a band of tissue called tendons. Working of muscles. There are more than 640 muscles in our body. Muscles can shorter than they can pull, but they cannot push. Most muscles are arranged in opposite direction and they work in pairs. Types of muscles. Just as our body has different types of bones, muscles are two of different types. First, voluntary muscles. Second, involuntary muscles. Third, kindred muscles. Voluntary muscles. The muscles that we cannot move and are under our control are known as voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Some muscles are not under our control. They are known as involuntary muscles. Kindred muscles are heart works continuously without ever stopping or rest. It is made up of cardiac muscles, which are also involuntary in nature. They are present only in the heart. Muscles and bones together allow us to move, eat, sleep, bend, and do lots of other things. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe.